And as you can see, 3 decimals are repeating. So let x equals to 2.105 repeating. And we multiply both sides within 3 decimals are repeating, multiply both sides by 1,000. So we get 1,000x is equals to 2.105.105 repeating decimal. So this is our equation 2, equation 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So we get 1,000 of x is equals to 2105.105 repeating decimal. X is equals to 2.105 repeating. Remember, the repeating decimal always align with the other repeating decimal. Then we are doing by elimination method. We subtract here, we get 0.003.012 is equals to 999x. So we get 999x is equals to 2,103. We divide both sides by 99, both sides by 999. You cancel here, then we get nothing but x is equals to 2,103 all over 999. And we can simplify this by dividing both by 3. So 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and up here 21, here we get 7, here we get 0, we get 1. Therefore we can actually see that x here is equals to 701 over 333. So the fraction, the decimal 2.105 repeating is actually equals to a fraction 71 over 333. Okay, so I want you to convert this.